I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. From bookkeeping to technical automation, we are the back office partner your contracting business deserves.
With Xero projects, it's easy to create new projects and assign staff to them. Capture time for each project and add expenses. And track the progress of your projects so you stay within estimates. Here's how. Creating a new project is simple and quick. Click New Project and fill in the details. Add an estimated amount to be invoiced for the project before work begins. This is also useful if you want to send a quote to your customer. Then click Create. Assign your staff to the specific project. Add project tasks with estimated time amounts, and estimate expenses to track your costs against. Then add actual time and expenses as you go. Adding time is easy with the built-in timer. Enter the details and click Play. Click Pause when you're done. Then click Save. And record your time on the go with the Xero Projects app. Track the progress of your project at a glance and make sure you're staying within the estimates. Then get more detail from the profitability dashboard. See your costs, the work you've invoiced, and your profit. Then get paid the way you want. Send an invoice during the project or at the end, for tasks and expenses, or a fixed amount. So stay on top of your projects and see which ones are making you money. You're now ready to create your first job in Xero Projects. Search Set Up Projects in the Help menu to find out how.